What's up everybody? Ako si Kenzo Consumption. After 1 week ng fasting, kasi almost water lang guys, kailangan ko ng kumain nito. And today is my cheat day and I'm here in a place called Wapute and I'm craving for Japanese food. Kung dyan sa atin guys, ang Japanese food ay medyo pricey. Well, dito is not that pricey kasi nasa Japan naman ako. So, tingnan natin kung anong meron sa menu nila and let's eat. Kaya na nakikita nyo guys, yan na po ang new normal ngayon. Yan, bawat table dito ay yan, may mga cover na ng plastic. Kinakailangan yata maglagay sila ng ganyan para mag-operate sila. Kagandahan dito, bawat order mo may free cha, green tea. Lasang kahoy. Ito yung in-order kong food guys, worth of 1,300 yen or $13 US dollars. Sashimi, katsudon, and udon, noodle soup, and salad, and egg pudding. And meron siyang atsara yata to. Kalabasa ginawang tempura. Okay, the best. Yung broth niya guys is para siyang nilagang buto-buto pero may konting tamis siya. Tapos yung noodle niya mas mataba sa normal na ramen, Japanese ramen, at softer. Hindi nakakalam kasi ito po ang chawamushi. Hindi po siya dessert. Ang lasa niya ay parang maalat-alat siya guys. And it's made of egg white. And nakikita niyo po sa loob ay may mushroom. Itadakimasu. Parang siyang ulam na made of jelly. Malinamnam siya. Kaya lang, hindi ko gusto yung texture. Mas gusto ko siya kung sweet o pang dessert. I would like to thank my sponsor, Tropicana Pineapple Juice, anti-high blood. Famous. That's all for this vlog, guys. Sabi nila 700 calories daw yung kinain ko. Base doon sa nakalagay sa menu nila. Plus 100 calories yung juice. Not bad sa mga nagre-reduce na tulad ko. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button para updated kayo palagi sa aking mga vlogs. And that's all for this episode, and I'll see you guys soon. Shalom.